Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is teulu, which means family. Teulu, as in, sut mae'r teulu? How's the family? Teulu, family.